I made a copy on paper of the old plastic nut. I'm going to cut it out along the edges of this knot, 6-sided. I'm going to put it on top of this empty tuna fish can. I'm going to draw a line and I'm going to dribble out that shape, and I'll make myself a wrench. Central Market yellowfin tuna can. And you get an idea of the shape. We really need to only bite a couple of these corners. Take a look at that. There's the old nut. Perfect to turn it. Got me a 2-inch toilet tank nut wrench from a tuna fish can. Now you could put a piece of like an aquarium hose on the inside of this so it wouldn't be so sharp, or even some tape, like some duct tape, just to take that edge off a little bit if you thought you were going to keep turning and turning.